Hi Priya. So finally we are on the last day of training here, and today I just want to thank you for being each and every day attentive and you attended the training thoroughly, and compared to all the other learners I found you quite serious in your career. That's why you are planning to shoot off, going beyond all the Appian documentation and studying each and everything. Considering the journey of the course that we did together, and I have been your mentor in Appian for a long time, I just want to ask, like, how was the entire course journey, and how was it for you when you started your training with me? And at that point of time, what was your state, and what was your thoughts in your mind, and what's the outcome of the training? So, is it possible to be for me to get a honest review from your side? Can you help me with this?
Yes, Seth. Actually, when I started, I was facing so much failure in my interviews, and I was not that confident about the APN because without having environment, you cannot study or you cannot practice the things. And theoretically, community is good, but there means you need someone to mentor you or guide you. So I found you on the YouTube, and then I had a word with you, and I explained my situation to you. After that, you suggest me the to enroll for the course, and then I enrolled, and you explain each and everything so well that if I am having any doubt in anything, then you explain the things well. I understood the things, and if I didn't understood sometimes, if any network glitch or anything, any obstacle comes in between the training, then you explain each and everything 3 to 4 times. You always used to say that, yeah, I will explain the things. Just tell me you are understanding or not. So your patience is really grateful. And I like your passion for teaching, and it really inspired me. And I got a job, and so thank you so much for everything. It's kind of you are shaping my future with your knowledge. And literally I can say the from the day one, means when I see myself on day one and now, so my knowledge is enhanced to the next level. So thank you for so much for that. And yeah, and also you told me that if I am having any difficulties after the training also, then I know you are always there, and you will always guide me, and you will always I will let you know if I face anything or any difficulty in my career or in APN or related anything. I will really you are there for me. I know that. So thank you so much for your support.
Yeah, thanks
You
a
are
lot for
really
the
a
kind
great
words.
teacher, great mentor.
Sorry.
You are really a great teacher and great mentor.
Thank you so much. You made my day, and I really appreciate your kind words. And what I found you is like you had the spark to learn, and that's why I chose you in the training. And as you know, the trainings are selected, and I do not like crowd, because you have to pay attention, and you are the only one who is responsible for your career. When you started, it was a quite a big challenge for you because you were not having job in your hand. I suggested that yes, you can study and you can apply and you will get a job. Now you are having a good job in an MNC, and you are at a position where you are already proving your worth with your own knowledge daily, and it is just like walking on the grass for you now. Back in the time, it was quite difficult for anybody to decide that yes, whether you want to take the risk or not, whether you want to go with it or not. But everything is dependent on our own self. Risk is the reward. If you initiate anything and plan anything in your life that yes, you want to do it and you really want to do it, then definitely anything is possible. Human mind is capable to learn anything, and a human mind is more capable than a computer. So that's all I want to say. If you really want to uh, have a bright future. You just have to work a little bit hard than others, and definitely you notice the change. There will be more changes in the future if you keep on continuing with our technical community, if you keep on increasing your knowledge, because learning is not a single day job, it is a never ending process. So, to everyone who is attending this, who is watching this video, I just wanted to give you a message that there are many learners with whom I interact but do not record. There are many people who are having good jobs. There are many people who are struggling with their jobs. Everything is our own responsibility, and we have to take care of our own life individually. We cannot blame the situation, we cannot blame the technology. Appian is just a platform, it is just a tool. How we are evolving and how we are developing with time, that makes us important. And considering the training, it is just like it's not we ended, we are still there together. We are having a community on Telegram, we are available together to solve each other's doubts. And even if you have any questions regarding your career, if you want to make a switch, I'm always there for you. So thank you so much for your kind words, and let's stop for the day. And today was the final day, and I hope you had a great time learning with me. Until then, I'll see you later.